Peace of mind, a priceless gem, a state of being where worries dissolve and serenity reigns supreme. It is the art of quieting the restless chatter of our thoughts, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the beauty and magic of the present moment. It is the gateway to true joy and fulfillment, where we find respite from the clamor of our daily lives. In the pursuit of new horizons, it is easy to become entangled in the whirlwind of daily life. But as you traverse these awe-inspiring landscapes, remember that the true essence of travel lies not only in the external exploration, but also in the profound inner journey. Amidst towering mountains and vast oceans, learn to let go of your worries and surrender to the magnificence of the world. Surrender to the ebb and flow of life. Allow yourself to be carried by the gentle currents of existence. In the embrace of nature's grandeur, find a stillness that seeps into your soul, soothing your restless mind and opening your heart to the beauty that surrounds us.